right, we got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. The stunning 1979 Ford F250 Super Cab, 4x4, lifted, frame off restored, modified 400, fuel injection, power steering, power brakes. Just nice truck, super cab. Love this truck. It's very nicely done. Underneath's all done up too. Killer truck. Got the Skyjacker lift. Swampers. Roll bar with the KC lights. Love this truck. Lots of receipts with this, but nicely done. Skyjacker lift kit. Paint is super nice on this. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039, 314-346-6039, 38. Love it. Paint is slick on this, all the chrome trim bright work, just nicely done. All done up underneath. We have a new TMI split front bench going into the vehicle. So you got this, got a little tear in it when it was in transport. We're getting that taken care of. So we got a new TMI bench seat, split bench going in the front. Tech fuel injection. That's just nicely done. Great financing. Go to our website at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. I can fly in, forward us your itinerary. More than happy to pick you up. Alright, just upside. Lambert International, St. Louis International, one and the same. Look at the bottom of these doors. Pick you up to take you in one of our 3 warehouses. We'll take it for a ride, put it up on a lift, make sure we got a good fit. It does have the electric cutouts, but I like them on. Didn't make a lot of these, so extra cab's really a cool truck. Take this thing for a ride. Get all the stuff. Just fantastic condition. Such a cool truck. I'll take that, I'll hand it to you. got this one in, trying to beat the rain, so it needs to go through the shop, full detail, buffed out, completely serviced. Again, if you'd like to fly in, St. Louis International, Lambert International, it is the same airport. We're happy to pick you up. We'll talk to somebody about it, ask any questions, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Be happy to answer any of your questions. Again, we have great financing, great terms, great rates. Usually 10% down does the trick. If you need transportation, we offer that assistance as a courtesy service. No problem. Get your vehicle shipped to you anywhere in the world. Sold in 85 countries. It's a high-tech fuel injection modified 400. Skyjacker lift on it. Just a cool truck. The ride's fantastic. Again, it's got the electric cutoffs on it. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Great rates, great terms. Have a happy Memorial weekend. Thanks for watching.